Hello viewers, I am Aamar Shahzad Ranjha and today our topic is Nature of Political Science. In this topic, we will study meaning of political science and definition of political science. Let's start with the meaning of political science. The term political science is a combination of two words, political and science. Word political has been derived from Greek word polis, which means city-state, and science means systematic study. So political science means the systematic study of state. If we further elaborate this concept, we can say that political science is the study of state or state-related institutions, that is, government, legislature, executive, judiciary, political parties, and pressure groups, etc. Aristotle was the first Greek philosopher or political scientist who made scientific study of the life and activities of city-states in his country in his famous book, Politics. The term political science came into usage at the end of 19th century. Now, if we make an academic definition of political science, we can say that political science is the study of all the facts and institutions which are directly or indirectly connected with or revolve around one point, that is state. Hence, all the matters regarding economic, religious, social, intellectual or cultural life fall within the purview of political science if they are in any way connected with the state. Thank you.